Now, rational numbers can be shown on a number line also. How we can show rational numbers on number line? First of all, we draw a line. First of all, we draw a line, then draw equal parts. For example, I start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way, -1, -2, -3, -4. Suppose all of these parts are equal. Now from left to right, these numbers are positive, and from right to left, these numbers are negative. So we can write +1, +2, +3, +4, and so on. It means that this line continues towards right side. Now -1, -2, -3, -4, and this line continues towards left side. For example, someone says, show +2 on number line. This is the simplest question. Example 1. Now it is very simple that we start from 0 and calculate the points. Because it is +2, so we will move towards right side. +1, +2. This is the answer. So we will show or write like this. This is the answer. Show -3/2 on number line. The 1 out of 3. I will share only one part. If I write 2/3, it means that I have divided into 3 parts and I have 2 parts. 2 out of 3. It means 2 out of 3, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 3. This 2 shows that all of these integers, plus and minus, have been divided into 2 parts. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. Now this shows -3/2. Let me draw first, then I start explaining. -11/4. Now this sign minus shows that you will move from 0 to -4 left side. Now first of all, divide each part into subparts equal to 4. For example, all of these you will divide all into 4 parts. Try to divide equally. Now -11 or simply 11. Minus shows this side. Now 11. Now start counting. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the answer. Generally, we divide 4. 11/4 means divide 11 with 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 3. Now total total have 11 parts. 2 whole numbers, because it was minus, so minus No, 1, 2. 1, 2, and the remainder is 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is the answer. ये दूसरा तरीका है. Question 8, part 2. It is very simple. मैं जल्दी से वो बता दूं आपको. मसलन 0 plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1 minus 2 etc. Now minus 2 has denominator 1. There is no subparts. So minus 1 minus 2. This is the answer. This shows minus 2. Question 8, part 3. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. In the same way, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 etc. Now the question is 2 by 5. Now show on the number line 2 by 5. It means every part has subparts equal to 5. Now divide each part into 5 parts. It means that you will just calculate 2 small parts. Out of these 5 parts, you will take only 2 small parts. Now 1 and 2, this is very close. This 2 is the answer. 2.2 by 5.